Hello everyone! So I'm going to try the most popular Korean skincare products for a week to see if it really works. And right now I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing because this morning I filmed like a little before of my skin before I put on makeup, you know, so you can see what my skin really looks like. So I'll insert that either before or after this little intro. But I'm going to try the products for 7 days and we're going to see if it does anything to my skin and if it actually works, if it changes your skin at all. And I also just want to like do a little review of the products, of course, and like how they perform and everything like that. And guys, we're trying to hit 8,000 subscribers, so if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna hop into the video, but before I do, don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, let's get started. So today I basically just got the products in the mail and I just want to do like a little unboxing. And I want to say thank you so much to Stylevana for sending these to me. I don't know if it's Stylevana or Stylevana, but of course I will have to be completely honest with my opinions and how I feel about the products, even though they were sent to me. And as much as I'm grateful for the products, again, I have to be completely honest with how they perform and how they actually do. And guys, I'm editing this video and I realized I forgot to mention that Stylevana was nice enough to give you guys a discount code, and the code is INF10CC. I'll put it on the screen as well as down below in the description box. But basically you're gonna get 10% off your entire order, or you can get 15% off if your order exceeds a certain amount, and that amount actually varies depending on the country, but I will put all of the details down below. But I'm very excited to show you the products. Okay, first is the iUnique Centella Bubble Cleansing Foam. It says for all skin type and pH balancing, but basically this is like a gentle foaming cleanser and it has natural ingredients, so it's supposed to be like a soft foam and it's supposed to be like moisturizing and not like drying and stripping on the skin. So I'm very excited to try this out and tell you how it goes. Next, I got this. It's the iUnique Black Snail Restore Serum. Should I just rip? Okay, just rip the box because ain't nobody got time for this. I've heard so many good things about this. Apparently it's supposed to restore your skin. It's nourishing, lifting, and brightening, and also supposed to help with wrinkle care. So I'm super excited for this because I have dark spots and acne scars. So hopefully this will work on my skin. Ow, oh my god. Oh, that hurt. And then next I have, it's the Somi by Me AHA, BHA, PHA, which I don't even know what that is. 30 Days Miracle Serum. So I'm actually planning on doing 2 different videos with this. We're gonna do the whole 7-day video that we're doing now, and then I actually want to try this for like 30 days and make a video just about this, because apparently it's supposed to just like completely transform your skin in 30 days. And I just want to test that out and see if it's true and like show the results with you guys. Okay, again, contains 14.5% of Centella asiatica extract that quickly calms down your skin and leaves skin more radiant than before. It's supposed to help with pore care, brightening, and moisturizing because there's like tea tree, and that is good for me because I've been breaking out, so I'm like, yes. It's also supposed to be like kind of calming for the skin, I think, which is nice because Josh sometimes steals my skincare and he has like the most sensitive like red skin. Poor child. So I hope this will be good for him as well. And then last I have this, and it is the Centella Green Level Eye Cream. Supposedly it will deeply moisturize the around the eyes, be absorbed into the skin really quickly, and it has 4 types of peptide to help with wrinkles. I'm very excited to try this because I've heard really good things about it on YouTube, so I want to try and see if she really is the best, you know? Hello guys, so it is actually the next week and I want to come back and just update you guys on how everything went. I did shoot a little clip of my skin like before I put my face makeup on, so I will insert that clip somewhere here. But basically the products that I tried out this week was the cleanser, the foaming cleanser, the eye cream, and the Black Snail Restore Serum. The reason I didn't try this other serum was because I felt like if I tried both serums at once, we wouldn't know which serum was making my skin that way. So I thought I would just try this like starting tomorrow for like a week, and then I'll update you guys again next week. I'm gonna start with the Centella Bubble Cleansing Foam by iUnique. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but I actually love this cleanser because the foam comes out really soft. And the one thing I really liked about this is since it comes out as foam, you don't have to like spend time foaming it up on your hands and then foaming it up on your face. You can just really quickly apply it to your face, really quickly cleanse, rinse off, and it just makes the cleansing process a lot faster, because I hate when a cleanser is like hard to remove or hard to like foam up. I just think it's a waste of time, and you wouldn't think it like something like that matters when I'm like running late in the morning for work. I actually really appreciate that this is like really good foaming cleanser, and it comes out pre-foam. And the foam is like really soft when you're using it. It just feels really nice on the skin. I think the formula is like really elegant. It really cleanses super well. I tried using it. At first I was using like 2-3 pumps, because in the past when I've used foaming cleansers, I felt like I needed to use a lot more. It's like they weren't that strong. But this actually removes everything really well and really quickly. And each day I like used less to see if it would still work with just one pump. And I've decided that you only need one pump. If I'm wearing makeup and I use an oil cleanser and then I follow up with this, I feel like my skin is like so clean. And I think that's partly why my pores are looking better. I feel like my blackheads are so much better. The reason you get blackheads is because of oil built up and like dead skin cell built up. So I feel like this cleanser has really helped me as far as like my pores and my blackheads. I feel like the texture of my skin looks a lot better. So yes, I do really like this, and I do feel like it really is worth the hype, even though it removes so well. It doesn't like leave my skin all like dry, and I really like this cleanser. Okay, next I have the Unique Black Snail Restore Serum. Again, I love this. When you're applying it, it's just like a very nice, gentle, cooling feeling. And the thing that I really like about this is that it's not sticky at all, because I've used nail products in the past that have been like slightly tacky, or like not necessarily sticky, but just like ever so slightly tacky, and like if you apply it and then you wait a little bit and you like touch your face, you still feel like that tackiness. But with this, it just like completely soaks into your skin. It's like a really nice cooling formula, and it just sinks right into your skin, and you don't get that like stickiness, which I honestly am not a fan of. And this is supposed to help with brightening and wrinkle care and like nourishing your skin. So I do feel like it is very hydrating. I think you have extremely dry skin. This on its own is probably not enough. My skin right now is like normal dry, and I've just been using this and no like night cream. And I honestly feel like it's enough. It's like hydrating enough, especially right now in the summertime. So I've just been using this in the morning and at night. And that's the other thing, it wears really well underneath your sunscreen. And I feel like it's been really helping with brightening my skin and just like evening out my skin tone. And so I do really like this. And if you're looking for a snail product and all the benefits of snail mucin, then this is a really good like starting product, because it's very affordable and it's not sticky at all. Okay, next I have the Perito Centella Green Level Eye Cream. So at first I was like really nervous about this because it has like a minty smell. Yeah, it has like a really herbally smell, and I don't know if I applied too much like the first time I used it, because you literally need the tiniest little bit. But I felt like it was like minty, and I was like, oh my god, it's like burning my eyes. But I think I was just using too much. And it's weird because the formula, it's like it glides on really nicely and it sinks in really nicely, but it's like extremely moisturizing. So it's like lightweight but very moisturizing. And what's funny is Josh like actually asked to use this on Thursday night, I think. And then he was like, oh, is it gonna get rid of like my eye bags? Because he has like deep set eyes, so he has like eye bags. And I was like, no, that's genetics, like you can't get rid of that. It's only gonna like brighten it and make it like, you know, look better. But then the next morning we were like driving, and I was like looking at him, I was like, wait, your eye, like your under eye area actually look a lot better. They actually look so plump. He started looking at the mirror and he was like, wait, yeah, it actually does look so plump. And then I started looking at my under eye area, and I felt like my under eye area also looked very like plumped and like brightened. I literally was like, I look 14. Like, it's so plump. So I actually do think that this works really well for like plumping your under eye and like brightening it. Just be really careful because you literally need the tiniest bit. You don't need that much at all. Overall, I am really enjoying these products, and I'm starting to understand why like they're so hyped up, and I do feel like they're very much worth the hype. Okay, so I ended up trying this serum for a week, and I will insert clips of my skin like without makeup so you can see like the after results of it. And what I found about this serum is that it's actually a little bit more moisturizing, I would say, than this serum. Because the first day I tried a full like dropper of it, and I felt like it was like almost a little bit too much. So I found that I like to only use like 6 drops of this, put it into my hands, rub it in, and then just like pat it into my face. And that's like the perfect amount. And I really like this without like a moisturizer on top. So I feel like it's already like moisturizing enough. And I was worried that I was going to be using this every day because it has like AHA, BHA, which are kind of like exfoliating ingredients. And I was concerned because I have sensitive skin, so I didn't know how that would like turn out. But it was really calming and it didn't like irritate my sensitive skin or anything. And I feel like it really helped with my pores and like evening out my skin tone. So I feel like some of the exfoliating ingredients was literally brightening. Okay, that's so funny because it literally says pore care, brightening, and moisturizing on it. And that's exactly how I felt like it performed. But right now I feel like my skin is brighter and I feel like my dark spots and like acne scars look a lot less intense. And I feel like my skin tone is a lot more even. Alright guys, that was it for today's little video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye!